Aviation Square, a weekly news update brought to you by the Airbus Sky in association with iFly Academy, a one-stop solution for aviation jobs. Air India and Air India Express came under fire after the Hong Kong government and the Dubai Civil Aviation Authority issued a notice banning the carrier for few days after both the authorities found passengers aboard on the flight to be infected with COVID-19. Minister of Civil Aviation identified and approved 78 new routes under the first phase of UDAN 4.0. As per another release issued by the ministry, the Government of India has sanctioned around 108 crore rupees under UDAN for up-gradation of 3 Chhattisgarh airports. Over 9.5 million domestic passengers have flown since the recommencement of the domestic operations. Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri said that an estimated 9,488 pilots will be required in India in the next 5 years. Update on Jet Airways. In the Committee of Creditors meet held earlier, lenders emphasized on getting better commercial terms and plans, which should be in compliance with insolvency and bankruptcy provisions of the Jet Airways. The final plan from the two entities who are bidding for Jet Airways will be put to vote by the end of this month or early October. Airbus on Monday revealed at its Toulouse-based 3 concept for the world's first zero-emission commercial aircraft, which could enter service by 2035. The European airspace major says that these concepts rely on hydrogen as a primary power source, which it believes holds exceptional promise as a clean aviation fuel and is likely to be a solution for the aerospace and many other industries to meet their climate neutral targets. Like, share and subscribe to the Airbus Guy. Stay happy, stay healthy.